Hi Spandana,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side, Spandana.
Okay, ma'am.
Before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thanks, ma'am.
Yeah, Spandana, can you just introduce about yourself and your native?
Myself Spandana. I'm from Koppal, and I have completed my BE Civil Engineering in Koppal.
Okay, CMTI ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? Like how you got to know about CMTI?
My friend referred for me,
Okay, like can you say your friend name? Like did
Abhishek,
they? Okay, he completed the course here.
and he also got the placement from here institute, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Like what you have learned in CMTI.
In CMTI, I took the course of the IDM, ma'am. In that, I've learned many things about the interiors.
Okay, like for how many sites you have visited? Like, can you say the site visit how it went?
Site visit was the nice, ma'am. I went for the IKEA Homeline Design Cafe, some factories, ma'am, like Glamood.
Okay, like how the software trainings held? Like what you have learned from softwares?
In software, I've learned the AutoCAD, SketchUp, and V-Ray. Uh, they taught us very well, ma'am, in softwares.
Okay, like how the trainers supported you.
They supported well, ma'am. They encouraged in every stages, ma'am.
Like how was the support of Ashok sir? Like how he supported you guys?
He supported very well, ma'am. When the interviews comes, means he will support. Do well, do like this, do whatever like that. He told, ma'am. He supported very well.
Okay, like can you say about CMTA app? How the app helped you out?
After the classes, we go through the apps, ma'am. Because of the revision, it helped a lot, ma'am. It we can revise the courses, ma'am. In that, we can refer the PDFs, like, ma'am.
Okay, like CMTA staffs and coordinators with you. Like, can you say a few words about them?
They are good, ma'am.
Like, can you say about your confident level before joining and after joining CMTI?
Before joining, my confidence was the medium, ma'am. Low it was, ma'am. So when I joined for the CMTA, they encouraged a lot in confidence, and you should do like this, you like that. They have taught, ma'am. So
Okay, like finally, what you want to say to your juniors and friends? Pa?
it is the best institute to join and to get the placements, ma'am.
Okay, like can you say about your placements, how it held?
It was a good and what sir and ma'am told, it went very well, ma'am. By their what they have told, it helpful for me in the interview, ma'am.
Okay, thanks, Pandana, for your feedback. Congratulations for your placements. Have a bright future.
Thank you, ma'am.